if you have that discipline, because me, I would just be opening all of them. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm so excited. Today's video is an unboxing. I haven't done one of these in a while, and I know some of you really like these, so I was like, hey, let's do one. Let's do one. I have a mountain of packages over there. Like a mountain. But I have a few. I'm not gonna go through like the 100 boxes that are over there. Just like a short PR unboxing. I was gonna do this on my Instagram stories, but I was like, hey, might as well do this on YouTube because I know you guys like to like go back and see, you know, and get my thoughts and opinions on all of the new makeup products coming out. So yeah, I thought I would go ahead and do this video for you guys. It's great to be back. I feel so good, like sitting in my studio, filming YouTube video, talking to you guys. So yeah, let's go ahead without further ado and get started. Jump on into this PR unboxing. Your girl has quite a bit of PR over there. So I never let my PR pile up as bad as it is right now, but honestly, I wasn't feeling good, so I was like, throw it in there. No, I seriously am so appreciative and so grateful for all the PR that I get, and I think it's such a fun thing. I feel like I'm opening a gift and I want to be able to share it with you guys because without you guys I wouldn't even get PR in the first place. So I like to do these PR unboxings with you guys. Okay, so the first thing I want to unbox, this is like insanely heavy. So the first thing I want to unbox is this amazing calendar from the brand GLOSSYBOX. These are so fun, and I want to thank GLOSSYBOX so much for sponsoring today's video. This video is in partnership with them, and I'm so excited! So I have not like gone through these at all. The only thing I did was take this out of the box because I wanted to go through them with you guys. I thought it'd be super special. And if you guys are interested in this box, my discount code is AshleyR, and I will put it down below in the description box, and I'll also put the link to where you guys can purchase this box. Let's go ahead and get started. This thing is so heavy, so that makes me happy because I know there's probably some goodies in here. As I knock everything off my desk. Oh my gosh, this little girl is kicking. It actually comes with like a spoiler alert. So if you don't want to know what is inside the advent calendar, don't look at this. It even says spoiler alert, don't look at it. But if you are curious to see what is in each box, it does show you. I mean, there are some really good products in here. There are some really amazing brands in here like Revolution Beauty, Illamasqua, Victor and Rolf, which is Flower Bomb. Flower Bomb is like one of my favorite fragrances of all time. GLOSSYBOX has their own brand, so they're in here too. Wonder Beauty. Let's see, LA Splash, Kat Von D. Those are just a few of the brands that are in here. Like I said, if you do want to see what is in here before you open the box, it does come with this pamphlet. I'm actually gonna pull these out so we can see like what it looks like on the inside. They're not in order at all, as you guys can see, but it does say the number on top, so you obviously know what number, what day of the month to open these. If you have that discipline, because me, I would just be opening all of them. So this is box number one. Box number one is this palette, I believe, from Revolution Makeup. Oh, whoa, I thought it was an eyeshadow palette. It is a highlighter palette, and I mean, oh my gosh, this is stunning. So this is like a gold. This is like the shade, obviously, you guys know I would go towards for sure. And two like sort of blushier shades, I guess you could say. Yeah, this is like a quad, which is nice. So there's 4. And that is what those look like. Okay, next box. This is number 18. Let's see what this is. So this is KVD Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and it is in the shade Hawkwind. Let me go ahead and swatch this on the back of my hand so you can see what it looks like. It kind of looks like a neutral mauve brown color. Ooh, yeah, this is totally up my alley. That's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. The hair has to go behind my head. Alright, so I'm gonna pick another drawer. These are what the boxes look like. Box number 2. I love these calendars. They're so fun. Illamasqua liquid eyeliner, and it is in black, which I'm glad it's in black because that's like the liquid eyeliner I would use the most. I feel like I would get a lot more use out of the black liner. So Illamasqua black liquid liner. What is behind door number 14? Wonder Beauty Mile High Club mascara. So that's a number 14, a mascara. And as you guys can see, it's a full size. It's not a sample. These are full sizes. Alright, I went ahead and went to the bottom drawer. I'm gonna go ahead with number 5 first. I'm most excited about this. Flower Bomb, and which Flower Bomb is it? Flower Bomb Nectar, which I haven't tried the Nectar, so I'm excited. So obviously this one is not full size, but it's still nice to put in your bag, you know? I would definitely put this in my bag. Oh my gosh, it's so baby. It's so baby. So small, but it's super cute. If you've ever smelled Flower Bomb, this smells like it. It has like a nectar peachy smell to it. So, so good. Number 25. This is, I think, the biggest box out of the whole thing. Oh, this is from Iconic London. Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. 20 pigmented shades. So this is a decent palette. It's got a lot of shades. Ooh, very nice. See, I like that they put this palette in here because I feel like it's for every single day. You can wear this palette every single day, but then there's a few pops that like can turn your look from day to night. Very, very easy, very quick. Like 24 karat gold. You could like put some dark brown on there, you know, any other shimmer shades. So yeah, I really like this. Let me swatch some of these. They feel like butter. Ooh, even the mattes are like buttery. Definitely pigmented for sure. So that is that palette from Iconic London. All right, so those are just a few products that come in this huge GLOSSYBOX Advent Calendar. And again, I want to thank GLOSSYBOX so much for sponsoring today's video. And if you guys are interested in this box, you can use my code AshleyR. I will leave that in the description box below. Also with the link to purchase, it'll be in the description box below as well. Feeling all festive with my background. Look at this. Festive. Festive. I even got my polar bear. I even brought my bear out. Moving on to the next PR package. All right, this next package I felt like I had to include because I was supposed to do a review on this collection. I'm very sorry I didn't. I was super sick, you guys. I hope you understand. It is the Kylie Leopard collection. You are slaying. So this is the PR box. This is the entire collection. I don't know if this is even for sale anymore, you guys. The eyeshadow palette. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Super cute. Her name is in glitter. Whew, that's what it looks like up close so you guys can like really see. This is really pretty. I'm feeling this Lucky Leo. I think it's a pressed glitter. But these are some of the shimmers that are in the palette. Obviously, I'll swatch them. So there are some of the swatches. Sorry, I didn't really do a good job of like putting them on there, but I'm really feeling that glitter Lucky Leo. Brown, orange, bronzy. It's really, really pretty. However, I am going to be doing a video and reviewing the new Grinch collection, so that should be up this week for sure because it launches this week. So excited. Pressed highlighter, which is called Hear Me Roar. An icy sort of light gold. Yeah, it's really nice. We gotta get into this lip kit. Can't Be Tamed matte liquid lipstick. So here is the liner. It's like a brown packaging. Oh my gosh. Totally a color I would wear all the time. Do you guys see that? It's like a mauve, but it has like a brown undertone to it. All right, guys, she has more lashes. I didn't hate her lashes in the Sailor collection, but if you guys saw my review, I just didn't like the length of the lash band. But these say that they're cluster trios. Okay, so these are just like tiny little trios. So that is the Leopard collection by Kylie Cosmetics, and thank you so much Kylie and Kylie Cosmetics for sending me the collection. This is from a PR firm. So this is from Revlon. Okay, so these are gel eyeliners. There's that like nude shade right there. This is an eyelash curler, which I can always use. This one looks really cool. I don't know if you guys can see, but like the red part right here, it's like huge. Yeah, thank you so much to Revlon. I'm guessing this is from, yeah, this is from Huda Beauty. I'm so excited for this. No, actually this just came like yesterday. Faux Filter Skin Finish Stick Foundation. So I don't want to swatch these on my hand because it doesn't make sense to, but I do want to open them and see the packaging. So she sent me the shade Latte, Apple Pie, and Toasted Coconut. So this is what the packaging looks like, and it's like a square. I'm very, very excited to try this. This is the Water Jelly Primer, which this is new. I haven't seen this. And the packaging looks so cool. So that is the primer that came with it. Oh, and then a brush. I love her brushes. I use her brushes all the time. It's like pointy, but on the edges it's like squared off. It looks really cool. And then this just looks like a nice foundation side. So yeah, thank you so much Huda Beauty. I am so excited to try these. So this next package is from Artist Couture. Look at that. Oh, gorge. That highlight. His highlights, I mean, always so good. So these are the new Plush Pout lip glosses. 3 new shades. Thirst Trap, Striptease, and X-Rated are new. Ashley, we're so excited for you to try our best-selling Plush Pout formula in 3 new shades. Don't forget to share your code itsmuaashley. Thirst Trap, this one right here. I have a gloss on, but it's okay. So pretty. Oh, so pretty. I really like that a lot. And I love his glosses because they have sort of a tiny, tiny, tiny cooling sensation to them. Not like overpowering, but it's just like enough to like be like, what is that? It feels really, really nice. Just want to swatch these so you guys can see. And they're so pigmented and so nice. Thank you so much to Angel and Artist Couture for sending me this amazing package. I love these glosses and I'm so excited to add more to my collection. Have any of you put your Christmas tree up yet? Like me? Because I have. I honestly prefer when brands send it like just regular packaging, nothing too extravagant because it saves so much waste. Ludicrous matte lip crayon only at Walmart. So these are like the fall colors. Okay, I get it. So they're like burgundies, reds, you know. So let me swatch some of these in the back of my hand. Let's see. I'm not big into lip crayons. Like, I'm gonna be honest, I'm really not. Like, I will grab a liquid lipstick and a lip liner and call it a day. But these are nice to have if you are into them. Oh my gosh. They are like very buttery, but they're mattes. But they just glide on. This shade is stunning. This is called 210 Off the Wall. This one is called Truth or Dare, number 160. And also some blushes. I love their baked blushes. Like, seriously, before I even like became an influencer, when I was like younger, I would swear by Milani blushes. They are so, so good. Like, they're my favorite. And these are stunning. Oh my gosh, what is this one called? Sunrise Serenita? Honey, look at that. Obviously, you can't really tell how it's gonna look. Do you know what? Oh. It's number 120. Number 130. Oh my god, that's so pretty too. Look at that. Thank you so much, Milani. Alright, my loves, so that does it for today's video. This was just like a small PR unboxing. Let me know if you guys enjoy these smaller PR unboxings because I feel like I can upload them a lot more often if you do. Let me know below, sound off in the comments. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you for bearing with me through my pregnancy and all of my sickness, but I'm feeling so much better now. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all of your love and support, and thank you so much to GLOSSYBOX again for sponsoring this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!